Chapter 7. Spices. We get different types of spices from plants. Spices make our food tasty. Let's identify a few spices. This spice is also used for disorders of skin, joints, and digestive system. Can you identify it? Turmeric. It is also known as king of spices. It is good for digestion and aids in weight loss. Can you identify it? Black pepper. It is used in curries, desserts, as well as in beverages such as tea. Can you identify it? Cardamom. It is a key ingredient in many recipes. Can you identify it? Coriander. It is also used in Ayurvedic medicines. Can you identify it? Clove. It is widely used in Indian cuisines to make aromatic curries and nutritious soups. Can you identify it? Mace. It is used in cakes, cookies, and desserts throughout the world. Can you identify it? Cinnamon. It is traditionally used to reduce inflammation, for indigestion, jaundice, etc. Can you identify it? Cumin. It is typically used in soups, stews, meat, seafood, and vegetable dishes. Can you identify it? Bay leaf.